Sunrise. Light echoes through the canopy, reflecting against the jungle floor. Some interesting creatures lurk among the underbrush. A black scorpion rivals with some fire ants. Fire ants are strong and colonize quickly. They can colonize and overthrow an inhabitants, fully colonizing within 4 to 6 years. Red ants are very cooperative and perform some incredible acrobatics. The invasive ants colonize these inhabitants. Though South American in origin, the red imported fire ant has been accidentally introduced in Australia, New Zealand, several Asian and Caribbean countries, and the United States. Frequent competitors of fire ant founding queens include other Solenopsis thief ant species, and some invasive pest species, such as the tawny crazy ant, and the black crazy ant. A beam of sunlight makes its way through the leaves and lights up the brightly colored wings of a macaw. But millions of years ago there were much stranger species of birds. Today the rainforest is home to a diverse abundance of wildlife.